Hi, my name is Willy and I'm a Zuyd graduate living in London, where I work with IG, which is the UK's leading trading firm, where I work in the trading services department. So the most useful thing that I learned at Zuyd would have to be the soft skills, such as working in a team with people from a variety of backgrounds and very different way of working. So working and living in London is really wonderful because of the variety of backgrounds of the many people that live here, as well with the food that they bring with them. It's great, you can get food from everywhere around the world, and as you can obviously see, I love my food. So to me, having a global mind means having an open mind, first of all, being open to people from different cultures, people with different ideas, different ways of doing things, and embracing them, learning from them, and appreciating it. The most special memories that I made in my time at Zuyd would have to be my studies abroad, because I learned so much and I had so much fun in that time. But then coming back again and finishing the studies and experiencing reverse culture shock, it was just I learned so much from it all. My advice to future students of the International Business Program at Zuyd would definitely be take that opportunity to go abroad, take the opportunity to do internships abroad, but most of all do the exchange program, because that is really a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to get the experience living in a different country, studying in a different country, meeting students from a different country. It's really wonderful, and so much to learn, so much to enjoy.